take it to a better day. A rocking chair and a glass of wine, in the shade of a tree, and I'm feeling fine. There's not a lot to ask when life is going by so fast.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Woohoo, zip that suitcase.
She thinks that.
We're off to Mendocino. Come on. Hey guys, come on in. Let me show you this awesome. We are at the inn at Newport Ranch, or in Fort Bragg, Mendocino. This place is gorgeous. Come on, let me show you this bed. Woo. Got this cute little fireplace. And I think my favorite part of all. Turn around over here. The hot tub is right up there. And we can see whales from the window. Oh, it's gonna be great. I cannot wait to spend the next few days here. What are you getting, Robin? What are you getting, Robin? Chocolate cookies. Like your cookies?
They're very good.
This place has homemade cookies, which is amazing. We are taking a little afternoon stroll around the ranch. They have so much property. It's just forever. It's like a 10-mile leap of hiking. We're not doing that. We're just taking a casual little walk around, heading towards the ocean right now. I'm sorry, I don't have sunglasses on, so I'm like squinting into you. This place is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Can I say that one more time? This place is gorgeous. This place is giving me serious Ireland vibes. The coast looks like the cliffs of Moher.
And my eyes, they still burn for tomorrow. It might never come.
I like this. I need some like a cheese platter and some wine.
Yes. Or a glass of whiskey.
Or some wine.
Or some whiskey.
It's all for you. I'm keeping up through.
It's 6 o'clock, and what time is that, Robin?
Happy hour.
Woohoo! I love about boutique hotels is when they have free happy hours. So we're gonna go march ourselves downstairs and get a beer and watch the sunset. Ooh, I'm sure it's coming. Yeah, that beer's hitting the spot. Woohoo. Hi, Boo. You're very pretty. I'm jealous. I want to hang out with her. She really likes that love and she likes those ear scratches. We're just hanging out at the happy hour. I apologize, my eyes are almost closed. I'm staring right into the setting sun. We're gonna stick around here until sunset, maybe take a dip in the hot tub, and then we're gonna go out to dinner in Fort Bragg. Where are we going, Robin? Piacci's. We're gonna go grab pizza in town probably. We really wanted to go to the brewery, but I think it's gonna be closed by the time that happens. Anyways, look how cute she is. Oh! Dinner, 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 dinner!
Dinner.
I like it when we're traveling places and it's super easy to get from point A to point B.
Yeah.
How do you like that pizza? We had a pizza with an egg on top of it, and this is my first time having a pizza with an egg on top of it. Mind blown.
Egg is really good on pizza.
So good on everything. Bread, pancakes,
Damn right.
avocado toast. Oh, we would like to go into our room now. Okay, let me get out.
Be careful.
It's just a cow. It's a woman. She can't hurt me. Yeah. Hey, lady. Hey. We wanna. Yeah. Yeah. See? I told you she can't hurt me. Alright. Get your sunscreen, Robin. Oh, don't forget your sunscreen.
So, and then I thought I put it back in. Maybe. I think the controllers.
Okay.
Yes.
We are about to go ATVing. I'm so excited.
You are hiding out in the shadows, keeping from the light of day. Nobody should ever have to live that way.
Normally we have
Hey now, it's okay now. You don't have to hide from the world no more. Hey now, it's okay now. It's your time to soar. It's time to stand up straight and step into the light. It's time once and for all to have equal rights. Come along now. Hey now, it's okay now. You don't have to hide from the world no more. Hey now, it's okay now. You don't have to march in this lonely world. Hey now, it's okay now. It's your time to soar. Hey now, it's okay now. You don't have to hide from the world. It's your time to soar.
We're at Django's Cafe. It has this awesome vibe, and I'm about to get into this po' boy.
It's supposed to go on here.
Ready? Oh, and we are the only car left in the parking lot. I got my ice cream. We got the mini, which in every other country in the world is like actually a single. Singles in America are much bigger. I got the mushroom ice cream. I am so excited to eat this. Tastes like mushrooms.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't.
Can I just have a tiny scoop?
You don't want any ice cream, Robin.
I just want to, like, I don't even want a full spoonful.
He's always stealing my ice cream.
That's not true.
Alright, it's time to get into the hot tub. Love me some night soaks. La 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 la. What? Yeah.
I'm riding on the wave of an ocean that I could be brave. Is there anything good